Passion Education Network.
It's Passion Education Network PEN. In today's class, we are going to study about vertical and horizontal lines on graph. So let's begin. In the previous classes, we have learned that the equation of straight line is y is equals to mx plus c, in which m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. Consider the equation y is equals to 2x plus 1. For each value of x, there is a corresponding value of y. So when x is equals to 0, y is equals to 1. And when x is equals to 2, y is equals to 5. If we plot these points on a sheet of graph paper, we obtain a straight line because these points lie on the line. But if we change the value to x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 10, they will not satisfy the equation y is equal to 2x plus 1 because the line does not lie on the line. So what's the equation of a vertical and a horizontal line? Let's find out. So as we know, the gradient or m of a horizontal line is 0. So the equation of a horizontal line is y equals to c. We can conclude that the y coordinates of all points on a horizontal line, are equal to c. So let's move towards our first question. So A part says, write down the equation of the given horizontal lines. So as we can see in the graph, there are two horizontal lines. So as we can see, the value of y in the first line is 1 and the value of y in the second line is minus 3.5. Okay, so it's done. Let's move towards the next part in the graph. Draw each of the following lines with the following equation, y is equals to 2. So let's draw it on the graph. Okay, so next is y is equals to 0. So let's draw it also in the graph. So as you can see, I'm drawing it. So I have drawn it and we have completed the question. So what about the equation of the vertical line? So as we know, the gradient or m in a vertical line is undefined and we cannot write in the form of y equals to mx plus c. As the x coordinates of all points on the vertical line are equal to the same constant value, so the equation of a vertical line will be x equals to a. We are moving towards our next question. So as we can see here in this graph, the part A says, write down the equation of each of the given vertical lines. So the first line is intercepting the x-axis on point 4. So the value of x in the first line is 4. The second line is intercepting x-axis at minus 1.1. So the value of x in the second line will be minus 1.1. So the next part says, in the graph, draw each of the line with the following equation. So the first one is x equals to minus 3.5. So let's draw it on the graph. Yeah. So the second one says x equals to 0. So yes. So that's for today. And next class we're going to start a new topic. Thank you.